Greetings, dear listeners. Welcome back to another episode of Decoding Blockchain with Nex from Zero to Hero. I'm Alex, your guide on this enlightening journey. Today, under our foundational knowledge segment, we're going to delve into two of the most compelling attributes of blockchain: transparency and accountability, as we explore the concept of the immutable ledger. Let's start by understanding what we mean by an immutable ledger. In the simplest terms, immutable means unchanging over time, and a ledger is a record of transactions combined. An immutable ledger is a record of transactions that once entered cannot be altered or deleted. Now, you might wonder, why is this such a big deal? In traditional systems, records can be changed, manipulated, or even deleted. While there are mechanisms to trace these changes, it's not always foolproof. There's room for fraud, misinformation, and deceit. But with blockchain's immutable ledger, every transaction is recorded in a way that makes it nearly impossible to change retrospectively. This brings us to our first key point: transparency. Every transaction on the blockchain is visible to everyone within that blockchain's network. This means that every participant can verify and audit transactions in real time without the need for intermediaries. For businesses, this means clear supply chains. For individuals, it means an open record of any transaction they are part of. And then comes accountability. With transparency comes accountability. Since every transaction is permanently recorded, there's always an open trail. Organizations can't hide behind missing records or altered entries. This makes businesses more accountable to their stakeholders and individuals more accountable to each other. Now imagine its implications. In finance, banks could process transactions with the assurance that every cent is accounted for, reducing fraud. In supply chains, consumers could trace the origins of their products, ensuring ethical and sustainable practices. In voting systems, every vote could be transparently verified while preserving voter anonymity, ensuring fair elections. You can prove your degree thanks to your university digital ledger, leaving less room for fake resumes. The range of possibilities is not yet known, but it's extensive. The immutable ledger of blockchain is not just a technical feature. It's a transformational shift in how we view and handle data. It promises a future where transparency isn't a choice but a standard, and where accountability isn't just a word but a practice. As we move forward in our series, we'll see real-world applications of this concept and how industries and societies are adapting to it. But for now, I hope this episode gives you a glimpse into the profound potential of blockchain's transparent and accountable nature. Thank you for tuning in to Decoding Blockchain with Nex. From Zero to Hero, remember, each episode adds a piece to the larger puzzle of understanding blockchain. I'm Alex, and I can't wait to embark on another learning expedition with you in our next episode. Keep those inquisitive minds active, and until next time, stay enlightened.